Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for amazing content. Let's get started. The 1978 French 5 franc coin belongs to the modern era of the French Fifth Republic and is a wonderful little piece of numismatic history that captures both the Republican symbolism and everyday commerce of late 20th century France. On its reverse it bears the familiar figure of La Semuse the sower, a graceful allegorical woman striding forward and scattering seed, a design originally created by the sculptor-engraver Oscar Rodi that became one of France's most enduring motifs and was adapted for several coin issues. The walking sower on the 5 franc is finely rendered and surrounded by the legend, République Française, making it instantly recognizable to collectors and history lovers alike. The obverse features the denomination, 5 francs, above a densely engraved sprig of agricultural elements and the year, 1978, below, with the Republican motto Liberté Égalité Fraternité, often present on the field or border on related issues. The coin's imagery deliberately links France's agricultural past, Republican ideals, and modern monetary life in a compact, everyday object. These coins were produced in large numbers for circulation and are commonly found today in dealer lots and online marketplaces, which means that while well-worn, circulated examples are inexpensive and accessible for beginner collectors. High-grade uncirculated specimens command higher premiums depending on strike quality and preservation. Collectors often look for pleasant details such as crispness of the sower's drapery, the sharpness of the lettering, and absence of contact marks. Even small differences in toning, patina, and midmarks on years variants where a midmark appears can separate a common pocket change piece from a nicer, market-worthy specimen. Beyond pure aesthetics and condition, the 1978 5 franc sits in an interesting historical slot. It was used during a period of monetary adjustments in France prior to the currency reforms and franc redenominations that would later occur, so it represents both the continuity of Republican iconography and the final decades of the franc as an everyday unit before the big economic shifts of the late 20th century. From a practical collecting standpoint, the 1978 5 franc is an ideal teaching coin. It demonstrates how national symbolism is communicated on small metal discs, how mass production affects market values, and how condition, provenance, and market demand interact. When evaluating a specimen, examine the field's flat areas for fine scratches, the high points, the sower's shoulders, head, and folds for wear, and the rim for dings. These attributes tell the story of a coin's life. Storage advice. Keep pieces in inert holders or capsules, avoid PVC flips which can damage surfaces over years, and store in a stable, low-humidity environment. If you plan to sell, obtain clear provenance photos and, for higher-value coins, consider third-party grading to improve buyer confidence. For cleaning, a common temptation, the rule is to avoid abrasive or chemical cleaning unless performed by a professional restorer. Improper cleaning can strip attractive toning, introduce scratches, or even reduce a coin's value below that of an untouched, worn example. Finally, the 1978 5 franc is not just a metal disc but a tiny cultural artifact. It carries art, language, and economics together in your pocket, and whether you collect it for study, display, or the simple pleasure of holding a piece of France in your hand, it rewards attention to detail and a little historical curiosity.